me, personally, me give Masicka the round there. Me as a war analyst, me have to just keep it real. Me give Masicka the round there because overall, him song sound better quality wise and
may I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Over the years, one of the things where I mash up dancehall over the years is that when these moments arise, to carry the music to a next level, some man are coward, so them always use overpricing to mash up the thing. So my first disclaimer today, Masicka, Tommy Lee, when Mr. Leng call you know, do not use no coward sites and overcharge for no show. Do not overcharge for Sting. Right now, me never sure Sting I go keep, but Sting can't keep now. Me not hear the song them, you know. Me go review the song them now. Me deliberately not listen to nice song them. But me have to use the disclaimer here. Over the years, some artists use them brain, through them coward, and overcharge for Sting. We not depend on that right now. The culture needs to save. Twist of faith, pick up yourself. The culture need to save. We have to save the culture. Zine? And this is one of the things that help save dancehall culture. Clash. The clash culture has been dead because the artists them are blood clot coward. And I just the truth me attack. We not in a coward business there. On to charge Lenga money when him can pay, and we go dominate the stage and show talent. No man can say them are the big man and them around the place and them not dominate on the Sting stage. This can work at some fest. Some fest is not that kind of show there. Zine? So we need this for Sting. And we know them want to charge Leng no how much $10 million when him can pay. True, you know your coward and no want to go. Fuck with that. You understand? The culture need this. The culture need this. The culture need this. Disclaimer. The second disclaimer. Masicka. Anybody will talk to you and tell you say to answer the Tommy Lee song, rate them. Keep them close to you. Because you see, if you never answer this, your street credit are done. Coming by a long time, you fear clash, you know. Even when me have the little artists around me. I don't hate you. But we have to test you how great you is. So now, what year you get the big opportunity to run the whole dancehall now? And you dodge cartel, you know. And you obviously see a cartel style here. And have him soldier them and knock at you. And you dodge it. And see that Tommy Lee come out brawling. You think say them not discuss it? You think say cartel and him no must talk about it already? So it obvious say the whole Gaza offer you. What you wait pan? You should have been at this. You see me? Should have been at this. Me don't know me growing a badness different. You know say a man now if you say Foota hype. See me address him from me know me attack. Me address you. Wicked. Wicked. We not do the drop word thing. So our badness kind of different. But we're glad say you answer this now. And Tommy Lee, for you come from jail, you don't find no hit song. When Russian put out the song with you and the next artist, me tell you, say that song then now go hit. And then a hit song and it never hit. So right now, I take back the forefront right now, Tommy Lee. Good move. Masicka, you answer Tommy Lee. Good move. This dancehall need this at this time, at this moment. When the business dry and boring. We need it. Me love this. Me wake up happy this morning. Me love it. Me love this. Are you ready? I'm telling you. Alright. So them said that are the second Tommy Lee song. Well, me not hear the first one. Me not get the first one. I that one them I get. This is Masicka Zine at this Tommy Lee. In a Tommy Lee song, him touch some point. Him say cartel head too big, so the crown can't fit Masicka. Something in that song that I don't know if you don't hear. You don't hear Tommy Lee size of Aidonia in the song. Tommy Lee I say, when he ma this Masicka, he say, no, Aidonia, your idol. So that means a little shot true at Aidonia too. This warrior go get crazy, you know. Make you listen to Masicka where the crocodile fans them there. Where the genocide fans them there. On the type genocide. On the type genocide. On the type genocide. In our Tommy Lee song there, him say, Masicka no fuck home girl, I just he crutch him name. So it's like Tommy Lee hear something or know something we don't know about. Cause he ma stick out and say, I be eat Masicka eat. So this warrior serious. All I would say genocide. See it there? Put up the crocodile them and put up the something them. Yeah, wild side, one side. One Poochie tag DD good life now. And you never tag her when Tommy Lee play. Poochie are wicked. Yeah, fuck that. Me not going harder. Me get the song them. I told me get the song them. Me I do them. After an artist send me the song. Them send me the song and said that a Tommy Lee, that a Masicka. And me no listen song before me review them. So me never know which one a second one. And Tommy Lee, you don't race the song them, Virgin. Do not race the song them. And me analyze all war. Stop race the song them. I don't have to actually make the massive them get to hear the song them. Then we move on to the next song. Not follow nobody and rush the song them. Zine, Masicka, talk what you say, my brother.
Michael Matic fire. Fish supreme.
Da da da. Da da dee. Da da da. From them say war, war, more war, war, war. They say war, war. But if I war them, I bring tell them that's not clever. Yo, me love this. Wanna know me, right? I wanna know say really and truly no artist in my business don't like me. Cause them not like the truth. But me can't help it, me have to talk the truth. Wanna say who take the run here? Let me ask my audience first. Me know who me I give the run, you know. Who wanna say take the run here? Who wanna say take the run here? Rascal, the comment them stop already. Alright, since the comment them stop, I'm not going to get to see who say take the run. But my opinion, Tommy Lee go hard. Tommy Lee call some name. Him call Climax name. Him call Ishana name. Him call Aidonia name. You understand? Himself from the dance say, you feel dead, him a go bust your head. And him say cartel head too big, the crown now go fit Masicka head, him go hard. Problem I have with Tommy Lee song now. Cause the song go hard, you know. And him a war good. Problem I have with Tommy Lee song. The engineer. Tommy Lee engineer. Where mix the song. Him need to mix the song better. Tommy Lee, your song bad, your argument them a kick, you adjust everything with them say about coke and rare. And say pop your Mali and thing and rule. The engineer now mix the song good. It makes some look up part of the song, me now hear the clarity and them something there. You go up against an artist with full of clarity. So your engineer have to make sure say we I hear everything over here. and make sure say the rhythm and the voice and everything balance. The production have to make sense. Zine, your song body, you know, your chat lyrics, you know, you go hard at them, you know. Zine, but what beat you with your song is the mixing, the engineer to do better work. That's why we don't want you rush the song them. Do the song them good and mix them good. Nothing wrong with your lyrics, nothing wrong with your argument, nothing wrong with your delivery. I just the mix of the song could have better. Masicka now. Me actually proud of Masicka because we're waiting about 6 or 5 years to call name. And finally call name. So that is a big thing in dancehall today. Masicka finally wake up and realize what needs to be done. So that was the first thing we have to big up Masicka on with him song. Second thing, the engineer who work on Masicka song is amazing. You can hear the quality in the two different songs. Masicka song actually sound like a 45 where we can play in a dance and dance. If you don't notice one time I dance. Zine, I know true more and dance. And I like me prefer Masicka more than Tommy Lee. But the song I give me the vibes there and the mix I give me the vibes there. And me I hear Masicka clear, the clarity good and everything. And Masicka go call name and them thing there. You understand? And Masicka I just a whole thing. Him call less name, Zine, but him call Tommy Lee name, so I'm good with that. Zine, Tommy Lee call way more name and attack more people neatly. So, from the basis there, Masicka no go as hard as Tommy Lee with the direct this them and call name. Masicka call Tommy Lee name, but him a withhold from call some other name. So, in that department, they make Tommy Lee look more credit than Masicka this up. Overall, to me, Masicka take around it. Masicka song have wholly more different style. It have a vibe, like it give me a vibe, like me can dance to it, like me can have party a dance with my matic and feel like more fire 2 shot in a ear while him still a kill people. You understand what I'm saying? So, for me, based on production, based on style, and based on the melody them when Masicka use, me give Masicka the round there for them 2 songs there. Tommy Lee song, more direct a fire gunshot, Zine, but the mix beat him and Masicka have more different flow and style in a theme song. You understand? So, me, personally, me give Masicka the round there. Me as a war analyst, me have to just keep it real. Me give Masicka the round there because overall, him song sound better quality wise and vibes wise, it have more vibe where we can dance to our whole vibe and then it a kill people at the same time and him call Tommy Lee name and this up Tommy Lee. So me have to give Masicka the round there. Tommy Lee got hard but he want a better engineer. Engineer, sorry, and a bad mind, him. I don't know who makes the song. I don't say nothing, I don't try hurt your budget, I don't try mash up your thing. I analyze the war, and I tell you what I hear. The engineer could have done better work on Tommy Lee song. So, for me, Aidonia, Masicka lead, 1-0. Yeah. And even a Masicka song, Masicka say a 6. Still I run Moby and say Tommy Lee and a hit song and so something. You understand? So the war just start. The war just started, not reach nowhere yet. So for me, Masicka 1, Tommy Lee 0. So where the next war? Ready. Sting, Isaiah Leng. Sting can still keep. Get to Masicka and get to Tommy Lee now. Leng, can tell you this. You are not police anymore. Badness now go work. Go talk to Masicka and talk to Tommy Lee and get it done. Dancehall needs thing that December yet still can work. Nothing can stop it. Rock the war at right now. Flyers drop tomorrow. Masicka family, we're ready. We're ready. You hear that? Yes. So, for me, Masicka 1, family 0. Send the rest of song them. Send the rest of song them. Send the rest of song. War is in the air.